So I want to show you this new app that I downloaded. It's called Coinout. So what you do is you open the app and you scan receipts, and you can get stuff. You can get gift cards for like Walmart, eBay, Groupon, pretty much anything. You can also get cash back on the PayPal. So all you do is you hit scan, put down a receipt, take a picture of it, and you submit it. And I got 2 cents for that receipt. Submit that one. I got 3 cents. And I believe it's $10 you have to hit to do a PayPal payout. So, I mean, I also do DoorDash. So, every receipt I get, I keep. So, hitting $10 won't take me too long. Another 2 cents. If you want to like and subscribe my video to my channel, I'll be trying to post more videos more often. Let me know what you think.